top 10 coins to buy in November 2019. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my top 10 coins for this month. So guys, if you guys have been following me, you know that I make a top 5 videos top 5 coins to buy every month at the start of every month. Past month hasn't worked very well. The previous 3 months have worked brilliantly. So this month I wanted to make top 10 videos, and one of the reasons I wanted to make top 10 videos is because a lot of coins are looking good. So as usual, we will start with Bitcoin, because as you guys know, if Bitcoin, whatever Bitcoin does, altcoins follows. If Bitcoin is breaking out, it's not best to be trading altcoins, so we have to be really careful with that. Bitcoin has been ranging for the past few days, and altcoins have been having a lot of fun, so we have to be looking at trading altcoins when we see Bitcoin doing this. If Bitcoin does have a breakout, then you have to reduce your risks in altcoins, because when Bitcoin went in that rally, it affected altcoins. Lot of altcoins are still in an uptrend, so it's still looking good. But if Bitcoin moves like this or moves slightly lower again, then altcoins can keep on rallying. So the first coin that I wanted to always talk about is Bitcoin. So please keep that in mind, guys. Whatever you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button, and join our live Sunday video that I do. I do some live trading as well. Yesterday, a couple of days ago, Sunday's live stream was really good, so make sure you turn on the notification button to be aware of what's going on. But let's get into the videos. The first coin that I'm going to pick, some of you might be surprised because I actually do not like this coin at all, but I had to include it just because the coin is looking so good. So let's have a look at the coin that I'm going to talk about, and it is Bitcoin ABC. The reason why I'm looking at this coin is it's trying to get above weekly 20 moving average, which is a really bullish thing I look for. And if it does break above this the 20 moving average, plus this is a resistance, Bitcoin Cash ABC is really trying to break. Even though I do not like this coin, if it does have a breakout, guys, it can really rally 10% and potentially to the 382 region, which is 25% up. So make sure you keep this in mind. So I'm going to make this video really quick, send you the juicy coins that you want rather than talking for longer. So I'll try to keep this video short. So that will be my first coin. The next coin I'll be talking about is VET. This is a coin I actually talked about in the live stream. And in the live stream, if you guys remember, what I said was I'm not interested in this coin. The reason why I said that was it wasn't actually breaking out, it was just about here. And what I said was buy a pullback. What we saw is a nice little breakout, and it rallied hard, exactly what we discussed in yesterday's live stream. So it has already made a big move, so we have to be careful with that. But why am I still interested in this coin? Because it's still above the 236 level. If it can close above the 236 level, look to buy pullbacks again, and it has a lot of room to run. I will be targeting around the 63-64 range for VeChain or VET. I used to really like this coin since the fundamentals of this coin is really interesting. It hasn't really done as much or delivered as much as I would have liked, although it is a neo industry, so we can't really expect, you know, for them to like make life-changing progress within a couple of years, or even it takes years to make that much progress. So do keep this in mind, guys. If it stays above this, you could look to buy. One thing I will say is do not just, you know, watch this video and try to learn my strategy. I've got a full trading course. It's only less than 2 months away. A lot of the tiers are sold out, but the reason why I want to share this is because I made a video about XRP breaking out. Unfortunately, XRP hasn't really done that, so let me go to that chart. I said if XRP breaks out above this, especially with the Swell conference, it can really have a breakout. So make sure you actually understand the psychology behind it. If it breaks out, then I'm going to buy, and then I'm going to be bullish. If not, guys, there's no trade. So you have to be very careful with that, what's actually going on. So whether it's a pullback strategy, a full educational course that I teach, or the signals that I share, you have to be really careful. The next coin that I'm going to talk about is ADA, because sometimes coins don't break out, so you need to learn how to trade as well when it's not breaking out. And the reason why I was interested in buying ADA was, I think the signal that I provided in the group was break above 470. The previous one didn't really work. STX didn't, that signal didn't work. But this is more than a signal group. I want this to be an educational group. I release a course every week where I teach you my full trading course. So that buy ADA above 470. When 470 broke out, let's see what happened. It had a nice little rally. That was a 470. It went out about 4%, and all these trades works really well. What I'm looking for ADA is actually not looking too bad. ADA's pulled back so much, it's in this zone. ADA, you could be looking to play short-term trading. If ADA can stay above sort of the daily moving average, I will be targeting this sort of level. So ADA has got some room to run as well. I might make another detailed ADA video because they might have some news coming out as well. So look to buy ADA around, wait for a pullback on probably the 4-hourly and the hourly, and then look to trade ADA. If ADA can stay above, it's above the 4-hour 200 moving average as well. So ADA is looking okay. If it can stay above sort of the I'd say this swing level, if it can stay above 468, 469, then ADA can still carry on. So keep this in mind. So we've talked about 3 coins up to now. So we've talked about Bitcoin Cash ABC, we've talked about VeChain, we've talked about ADA. The next coin I'm going to talk about is Tomo Chain. So Tomo Chain, if you guys are aware, I made a video about Tomo Chain. Let's have a look at where Tomo Chain is. It's actually not on my chart. I think I took a live trade on Tomo Chain. If you go back and check the stream, I took the trade, the breakout out of this for a nice little scalp trade. I think, where is it, Tomo Chain? Can't remember where I actually got in now. Anyways, I took a trade on Tomo Chain. Now it's pulling back into a zone that I'm interested in. The 4 hours are oversold, hourly is oversold, so this could be in a position to look to buy. Now there's some RSI divergence, so wait for a setup here. Tomo Chain could look to have a rally as well. It has broken out of this big zone. If it can stay above this, I'd say sort of, let me draw I think it's a 382 level, isn't it? Yeah, if it can stay above the 50% zone, then I'll still be bullish in Tomo Chain. I'll prefer to buy pullbacks rather than when it breaks out. When it breaks out, I'm in and out trades really quick. So this is another coin that I would keep in mind. So that's our 4 coin. The 5th coin we're going to talk about is what my personal favorite. I've actually bought some more. BAT, we've traded it really well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. BAT is a coin, one of my favorite coins fundamentally. I trade this a lot, and then if you go check out my videos on BAT, I've made quite a few. I told you exactly when I was buying and why I was buying using my strategy. Then it came to the 236 level, it spiked, it gave the candlestick pattern that I talk about, and then it pulled back. Now it had a nice breakout. I've actually bought some BAT at the breakout out of this. Look to buy BAT again if it pulls back to our moving average. You could look to buy BAT. I'd like a bigger pullback now because you can see there's 2 entries. I think this was my entry. If it pulls back sort of, if it goes below this line at 2650, if it goes below 2650, I won't be interested in BAT anymore. I want it to stay above there. If it does, guys, BAT can carry on. So BAT will be my next coin. The next coin I like is Nano. I think it used to be called Rayblox. Had a crazy rally, and since then it is looking really good. I've missed Nano, so I'm looking for a bigger pullback in Nano. I'll probably look to buy, wait for the moving average to catch up and look to buy at 1036, or probably 1080 would be the level I'd look to buy. Like I said, I'm still gonna make another video. I'm not just making these crazy videos. Check out my videos to see whether my calls are correct or not. Don't just blindly buy, but I will be looking to buy Nano again if it pulls back. So I've not got a position in Nano. I'd look to buy Nano. I've missed this pump. It looked like such a nice breakout. So this video is going quite long, so let's have a recap of the coins that we've covered. So we've covered Bitcoin Cash, we've covered VeChain, we've covered ADA, we've covered Nano, we've covered Tomo Chain, we've covered BAT. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 coins. The next 4 coins are my wildcard entry coins, so please do not just spend all your money and buy them. The reason why I'm including Omisigo is it's looking like it's forming a basing pattern, maybe a cup and handle or whatever you want to call it. A breakout above 170, 160 would be really bullish for Omisigo. This coin, a lot of people own this coin. I remember they bought a lot of it. It was one of the hyped coins back in 2017, if you guys remember, if you guys were still in cryptocurrency. So if this coin does break out above 170, 160, it can be really bullish for Omisigo. The next hype coin is RLC. Someone talked about it in my stream. I took a small scalp trade, but I haven't really traded. Again, go watch the video, you can understand what I was saying. It was a bit extended, so I wasn't really looking to buy, but it is looking okay, as in the way it's trending higher is really good. What I will be looking for is a break above 750, but I will be quick. When is this extended, you don't want to take big positions. Be quick. There can be, if it breaks down below this, I won't be looking to buy more. But like I said, the RLC is a coin that seems to pump really well. If it breaks out above this, I'll probably take a quick entry. But RLC is quite extended, like I've said, so please do not just buy and hodl for longer trades. I've shared with you other signals that works, and it's coming into a resistance point that here you might want to wait to see if it breaks above there, but I do think it might be pulling back a little bit more before it pumps again. So keep this in mind. That will be my thoughts for RLC. The next two coins against next one is actually a bit crazier coin. It's one of my friends that trades a lot. He trades bigger position in altcoins. He showed me this chart and I said, look, let me know. I don't really trade on HIT BTC, but I said, look, if it breaks above 180, let me know, because I'll be interested in this coin. There's some reason there's huge volume came in, and still some volume coming in, and I don't know what this coin is, what it does. Someone asked about it in the live stream as well. So if it does break out above 180, I'll probably let you guys know. I'll probably make sure you've joined my Facebook group as well. It's completely free to join. I'll leave the links below, or make sure you turn on the notification button. I might create a post or a video if it does, because if it breaks above and closes above this, it can have a bigger rally. So I will definitely keep this in mind. The last coin that I want to talk about is ERD. And ERD is looking good. It's probably looking good almost to take a trade now. Actually, it's pulling back to our 4-hour moving average. Have your stops. I'd have my stops below the swing point, maybe at just below 20. It'll have a wider stop, because these coins, you can see how spiky it is. You have to be really careful. If you didn't buy the breakout, that's what you'd look to get in on. On the hourly time frame, it is looking okay. Maybe draw something like this. It's difficult to trade coins like this because there's not much volume. It's difficult to trade, but yeah, you could look to buy this and have your stop below and see if it rallies. But so that's my top 10 coins, guys. A lot of coins I went through. I know this video's gone over 10 minutes, but I wanted to do 10 coins in 10 minutes. I think I spent a bit of time explaining to you my strategy a little bit as well. So I'd finish this video. I've given you top 10 coins that I'm looking at this month. I'll probably make a top 5 coin video and review all these coins, see if I'm wrong or right. Again, I'm not saying I'm always right. Even in trading, even if you're 50% right, but your risk to reward is 2 to 1, you make money in the long run. Even if you're 60% right, you make money. I think YouTubers or people that don't trade, they try and make crazy claims, and they're fake traders or social media traders. They're not actual traders that make money. And I've been trading for over 5 years, so I like to think what I know what I'm talking about. Anyways, to end the video, I want us to share with you Bitcoin chart. If Bitcoin does break out above this and close above this, I'll look to buy some, guys. I know people I was looking to buy below this level. This level would be better for me to buy a cheaper Bitcoin level, but there's been some interesting stuff going on. There was a huge spike low on Bitcoin futures. I've shared this video in our free Facebook group. We've got a great community of traders there. And this is what I'm looking at. So if it does break above, I think something funny might be happening, and if Bitcoin breaks out, that could be really bullish for Bitcoin and not so bullish for any other coin. And what I would be looking for is Bitcoin dominance chart as well, guys. It could be finding support here, and then if it does break above, it could be not so good for the top 10 altcoins that I've given. But I've shared with you my strategy. I've shared with you what works. You can't be scared of Bitcoin breakout. You need to have your setup, stop loss, take your trades, and see if you make money. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. I like to think my channel is quite different to everyone else, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button. To end the video, my question to you guys is, what is your your top coin for this month. Comment below what is your top coin and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.